Sexy lady, what would you do if this goes right, girl? If everything goes how we planned it to. Sexy lady, what would you do if I was rubbing my hand on you? Would it make you amused? You electrify my mind, specified I'm honey. Baby, yes, tonight we're going. Come and sexify my heart. What are you waiting for? You got me lost in the clutch of you. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home and my baby loves me more. What are you waiting for? Cause maybe her loving me this much won't do. And what's worse to know, I got a girl at home and I don't wanna hurt her soul.
And all I could do is
watch over the horizon. Hold me close, take mercy on me. Hope I make it home to say you're perfect. I'll be drowning, Mr. People. You're standing in the distance tonight.
hope they find me and talk about I went through hell